Welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today we got is the brand new Vego Garden composter. Now, normally, if you ever try compost before, it takes anywhere from 2 months to 6 months. Composting could take a long time if you don't know what you're doing. With the brand new Vego machine, you could compost overnight. I'm gonna say it back again. You could get compost from your fresh kitchen scrap overnight. Okay, we got all my kitchen scraps. Normally, we'll throw this in the garbage, right? That's what normal people do. I don't do stuff like that. Most gardeners, we don't throw away our stuff like this. This is steroids in your garden. This will grow all your vegetables better. We have here is apple peels, banana peels, strawberry peel. We got cucumbers. We got used coffee ground. We got coffee filters. We got everything from calcium to nitrogen to magnesium to every single thing to boost our plant. And we're not gonna have any problem with our plant. And this is all free. This is all stuff that we bought in the store already, or we picked from our garden, and we're gonna go throw away. Why throw away it when you could use Vego Garden composter and you make fresh compost overnight? All right, so let's see what is in the box. We're gonna try to move this quick. Listen, knowing Vego Garden, everything is compostable. They make stuff to use back in your garden, so nothing goes to waste. Oh, look at this bad boy right here. Ooh, let's get this out. I believe they come in two color. Comes in a black and comes in a white. Right here we got 30 of the VegoTabs that you throw down to help speed up the process of breaking down. This is our machine right here. It's beautiful. It's nice bright white. You have a lock button, unlock. You have a couple different mode right here. You got power, you got a light, and you could see through. I'm gonna unlock this real quick. We just turn and lift it up easy. Nice, good quality of glass cover. Yeah, look at that. They packed everything nicely and neatly in here. But this is the bucket right here. Wow, it got a good weight to it. I love it. So it's definitely like a really good iron quality. Oh, look, everything back here. That's what it's going to be spinning. Oh my God. Really nice blade in there. It's a good sized bucket. Here is the carbon filter, which we're going to have to do. We're going to pop this out, right? And remove this. It tells you right here. Just slide this out, and we're gonna fill this up. Right here you got the carbon filter kit. So normally you could get more refills and replacement right on vego.com. Don't forget to check in the description box below for price and details. I'm gonna leave a discount code special for you guys, my audience. So right here we're gonna cut this out quick, and we're gonna fill it up in here. Let me show you guys. Like, look at that. Look like black pellets, so we're gonna fill that up. Show you something. This plastic, even look, it's compostable. It'll break down, so you could cut this up and put it in there. How awesome that is. So that's filled up right here, and I got this little sponge stuff right here. We're gonna put that there, and then we're gonna slide this bad boy back in. So this carbon filter helps with the smell and the odor, because you're gonna have to plug this in your kitchen. I'm just doing outside right now. We're gonna do. I took out the bin from the composter, and we're gonna add all my veggies, and then we're gonna add 2.7 ounce of water and then 1 tab. Fill this bad boy up with some. If you have a lot and you don't have to get all of them in today, you could get them back tomorrow, because this compost tumbler will make stuff with overnight. And so we got all this stuff in there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get one of this tab. This tab is gonna speed it up. So just like crush up the tabs. It's fine. It's easy. Break it up, sprinkle it all over like that. Look at that. This thing is easy. It's the easiest way to make compost. And I'm going to tell you guys something. I'm going to show you guys something important after this too. What I'm going to tell you guys right here, this piece of paper, you guys should keep this paper safe. It tells you what you could add in here. It tells you limited, and it tells you never to add like fats and oils and waste and all that stuff, plastic and whatever stuff like that. You could even add eggshell inside of this, which we all know eggshell takes the longest to break down. Then it tells you right here, if you press the Vego symbol right here, you could get about 12, you could get 9 to 24 hours. To the light limit, which is the express, you get 2 to 8 hours. So basically you could get stuff in 8 hours, but we're gonna do the Vego anyway. All right, so we get all our stuff in there. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna put it in here. See the arrow saying unlock, then you come right here, you lock it right there. Make sure you plugged in, you press that on. I have to download the app, and then we go press the Vego right there, and we're gonna give it a minute and see. And then you have a light, so you could press that. Oh, look at that. I hope you guys could see. It slowly starts spinning already. So this is why it decomposes much faster too, because everything with the blade in there, it's cutting it and mixing it up. Wow. While we sleeping, compost will be making free. How can we go wrong? And then you got a light. Let's press the light. Oh, look. See that? All right, so we're back at it right now. It's another day. We're gonna unlock this and always come to the unlock. Hopefully you guys could see with the light. Wow, look at that. Holy smoke. And it doesn't even smell bad. It smells pretty good. Look at this. Compost. Oh, I had some tough stuff in there, by the way. This is pretty cool. I gotta tell you that. Can't believe it. Fresh compost right at home. So far you could see it's nice, loose, moist compost. It's not too dry or it's not too wet. So that's what I love about it. So far this machine has proven to me that it could make compost overnight, because literally, and it just shuts off by itself. We got the Vego Garden bed and we got a couple lettuce growing here. So what you could do if you have plants already, you want to grab some of your fresh compost and just like sprinkle it around. See that? That's fertilizer, organic, best, powerful fertilizer you could ever add in your garden. If you guys check my playlist out, you can see that how much fertilizer I normally use. When you add fertilizer, your plant has everything it needs to grow. You have to power up. You don't want to use too much of like chemical when it comes to fertilizer, and you want to go organic. And this is the closest and the best way you could go organic, reuse all your stuff. Old tumbler like this, it takes a long time to break down. It takes months. Like this here been in a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks going on to a month. I got to add more water. Got to make sure your mixture is right, your water is right, you're spinning it a lot. It's a lot of work and time and effort to do it manually, but don't get me wrong, you could do it. But if you want to go faster, that's when Vego Composter come in. But this is your basic. So far, it's amazing. It works really good. The price is definitely up there. And I know some people are going to be like, it's too expensive. But if you think about this way, it's going to work out pretty well and pretty good, actually. Like, hear me out, right? If you're buying fertilizer, $30-something a bag, $40-something a bag fertilizer, and you need about at least 4 or 5 bags throughout your garden season, that's like $200-300 in a year. Now, within a year and a half, you could buy this. And Vego Garden always, they're always on sale. And with my code, it's always a discount, so you do not pay the full price. So this will save you thousands of dollars throughout your whole garden journey, because you're not going to have to buy fertilizer. And then when you buy certain fertilizer, you don't have enough calcium, you don't have enough nitrogen. Once you use all your kitchen scrap that you're reusing, you could add eggshell, you could add all your banana peel for calcium, you could add used coffee ground for nitrogen, you could add every single thing, and you got all. Within overnight, you're making fresh fertilizer whenever you need it. So how can you go wrong? You can't go wrong, trust me. It's a good quality. It comes in black and white color. It does not take over too much space. When you finish, you could always store it somewhere else in the corner. You could even plug this in your garage if you want, and then put the stuff in, which I'm probably going to do. But I have to tell you something. It's silence. It works fast. It works easy. It is very easy to use. Plus, you have an app that you can control and tells you every single thing about it. And instead of wasting all that valuable, powerful nutrition like kitchen scraps or food or whatever it is we're going to throw in the garbage, and we're going to actually destroy the planet faster that way. We're actually saving the planet. We're going green. We're going organic. We're eating and we're recycling every single thing possible. So I got to tell you something. I love this. I love that Vego Garden did this, because this gives us a chance to make compost. A lot of people want to make compost, but they don't know how to mix it. They don't know how much water. They don't always remember to spin the compost tumbler. And some people wouldn't try because it's such a pain in the butt. There's some of us who do it, and we know it's a lot of work, but it's not hard. But we do it because we know how powerful it is. But with this right here, you don't have to do all that. It's very easy and simple, all right? So check in the description box for more details and price and this special discount code for you guys. So all of you guys, you know that. And thank you to Vego Garden. I love this. I noticed Vego Garden do a lot of sale. And what I knew too on the Instagram, they do a lot of giveaway to help people and promote their stuff and help a lot of people, which is amazing. There's a lot of big company out there will never give you anything or give you much discount code. So you know what? Good thumbs up for Vego Garden for always giving out stuff, helping out people, and giving a good quality of merchandise. And so far the customer service is pretty well too. I like the customer service, pretty good. Oh, they always got nice people there. All right, thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you have any question. I always love it. And we're in fall time here, and I gotta tell you, I don't know when I'm buying back fertilizer, because compost is the best thing you could do for your garden.